Okay, this nice Tuono V4 factory just come in, 2018 bike, 7.5 odd thousand miles on it. Comes with the Hepco and Becker luggage rack and luggage, which you can lock onto the bike. Comes with waterproof covers. Nice tidy bike. Got the paddock stand bobbins on it. Standard exhausts. Olin suspension because it's a factory. Little lever guard there. Adjustable ABS, adjustable traction control. Very good front tyre. Power on screen. This is a little mark there, you can see that, just around that bolt, a couple of tiny little marks just there. Little scrape on the end of the lever there. Quick shifter on it. Chain sprockets are good. There's a rear seat in that bag, waterproof cover. There's a little lockable bit on it. I'll just lift off and it's very easy to take the luggage rack off. You can just lock that on. 2018. Give life on the rear tyre as well. It's got cruise control, traction control, adjustable, different riding modes, ABS. Starts nicely, even with a standard exhaust. These bikes are fantastic. They're really nice exhaust note out of it. So we haven't cleaned it yet. This is how it's coming to us.